And here in Sacramento County, health officials say mutations used as a marker for the Omicron variant have been detected in local wastewater in the area. They were discovered in samples from the Sacramento Regional Sanitation District. Fox 40's Eric Rucker joining us live with what this all means. Eric.
And Nikki, 1.6 million people, that's how many people the wastewater plant behind us serves. And even with a low concentration, a low percentage in all of this that was discovered in the samples, we talked to a researcher tonight who says that they can extrapolate that number and get a very rough idea of how many people in the Sacramento area possibly have the Omicron variant. Samples from the Sacramento Regional Sanitation District wastewater treatment plant in Elk Grove show mutation markers associated with the Omicron variant of COVID-19. The findings made by researchers at Stanford University. Marlene Wolf is an assistant professor of environmental health at Emory University in the state of Georgia, working with Stanford and other universities detecting COVID variants.
The lowest number of cases that we can detect using this method is about 1 to 2 people in 100,000.
That means that although the Omicron variant has not been detected in any particular person in the Sacramento area, Wolf says she can give a ballpark estimate as to how many cases are in the Sacramento area just by what is detected in wastewater samples.
We would estimate that if we're detecting something, that probably means there are on the order of 10 to 20 cases. And that is an estimate. And what we're really going to be looking for is that's a very small number that we're starting out with. Is that trend going to increase? And do we see more Omicron over time?
Christoph Dobson is the general manager of Regional San, where the samples were taken. Dobson says they have been sending samples of wastewater to labs throughout the pandemic, a way of figuring out how many possible cases of COVID are in the Sacramento area. Adding the mutations in the wastewater pose no risk to those near it.
Although we are detecting a virus, it's not something that's infectious in our wastewater. So it's not a safety issue for our workers.
The Sacramento County health officers told us about this afternoon. They said they were not granting any interviews and that they would discuss this in further detail a little bit later on in the week in their weekly COVID briefing. We are live in Elk Grove tonight. I'm Eric Rucker, Fox 40 News.